My name is Sonja Rispens and I'm an associate professor in the School of Industrial Engineering and Innovation Sciences. This track can be chosen by all innovation management students. Creating and implementing technological innovation successfully largely depends on the crucial ingredient of organizations, namely people. So gathering insights and skills how to manage and lead people in the creation and implementation of technological innovation will set you apart in the labor market. My favorite course of the year is Managing Team Dynamics and Team Performance. In this course we have lively discussions and debates in which we explore the relationship between team dynamics and team performance. During classes we also solve business cases and work on challenges, so really allowing students to immediately apply their newly acquired theoretical knowledge into practice. Currently, the career prospects are very good. I would say that for students who have followed the Leadership and Organizing Innovation track, there are many different options that you can fulfill after graduation. For example, an R&D team leader or an entrepreneur or perhaps an innovation consultant. So when you see yourself as a future leader of innovation, I hope to welcome you soon to our program.